This is called a butterfly table. These were very popular in the 17th and 18th centuries, and you can see here that the joint that is used in this table with these hinged leaves is just a square butted up joint, and the center line of the hinge is right here on this bottom edge connection. So when the leaves are raised, it just closes up that joint in a square fashion. Now, that's the way the original was done. The original of this piece was made in Massachusetts in 1679. Later, they started to use rule joints. Rule joints. Let me show you what that looks like. That's over here. And you can see the extended angular shape here of the fixed leaf, and then the hollow out in the hinged leaf. Now, I want you to notice another thing here. There's a little fillet up here at the top that's important, and that matches up with this little shape here. And then the center line, I've actually extended the center line of the rotation here. Let me show you where the hinge is. I'll go to an X-ray view. There's the hinge and the center of the hinge, center of rotation. And I've drawn a line from that center and extended out beyond the front edge of the fixed leaf here. And you can see that that center line is up above the bottom face here. And that prevents this hinge leaf from dropping down below here and getting tangled up with the edge. Also, it eliminates a possible gap down here. But also, these hinge joints are just stronger. Notice that when pressure is applied on the weight is applied to the hinged leaf, then that pressure that is transferred over to the fixed leaf. So there's a lot more strength and endurance in this kind of a joint. I would like to show then how I changed from the original style to the rule joint. And I'll do that in some videos, in some following videos.